Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Chachana Creation.
And today we are going to unboxing the scale model of Chevrolet Corvette, and it's a 1957 model car. Now we have this car in 1:32 ratio, and we bought this car in online market. It's a metal die-cast model car. Come on everyone, let me explore the scale model now. This scale model having lot of detailed work and it's look pretty much good. Also we have a chrome grilled, chrome beadings on the windshield and the chrome wheels. It's giving a more detail for this car. This car is a two-seater car. Now we'll open the door and we'll check out the interior detail of this car. Hope this video will be a treat for all the miniature lover. Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chachana Creation. Thanks for watching this video and please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button.